Students of Dhanamandri University have expressed their dissatisfaction over the proposal of Registrar in charge of Dhanamandri University. Speaking to media persons in this regard at University Complex, General Secretary of Dhanamandri University Students' Union, Dmusu, said the problems of the students cannot be solved through conduct of the 6th semester exam alone. He said second and fourth semester exams also need to be conducted along with the 6th semester exam. Dmusu further questioned, how will this whole matter be resolved by holding the 6th semester exam even when the result for 5th semester has not been declared so far? He asked who will be held responsible if careers of students get jeopardized due to the ongoing issue in the university. Dmusu also urged the relevant authority to stop inaccurate portrayal of students' protests to public.
May the Loikiba VC, Nasi Power advertisement of the Laki, the Bokoin Hunger Matunda, advertisement is Tolaki, Aquina, Sida, Hanging Liberty, Aduquina Kadaroga, Bigi, Aquina Hunger, Aquina forced out the function could Monday for some out the Sundoto, we read the Brasi, Goshaman, Aduga, how's it man problem, the Yuzi, 6 semester Kariba, Angansi, near my man problem, the Mamdi, further studies is a pursuit of the Mogi, Lady Mogi, 5th semester examination, Hydoctava, 6th semester examination, the 20 Tabazu, Mamangi, Hydoctan, Lady examination, ma'am, Heidi. The second, 4th, 6th to simultaneously at one time the Tawda Deva, Maramaduna, Mana for 6th semester examination, Tawutago, solutions, proposal, MU, the DU, the GNU, the Kanmasata Mamogi document verification, Yadavan, Maramoga, Moy Makataba, studies as a Makataba Yadan lady, Aduna, Siki Texac Maps, the Karamba authority, Pubidori, Nahogi, issuing authority or Viva, Madame Restan, Pubidori, Natragana, Hogi, Vice Chancellor in charge or Viva, Sargan Prakasa, Pubidori Brasin, and Yamda, something Wapam there.